How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do the best workout to improve your posture naturally. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBurke999. So the first exercise that we want to do is contracting our upper back. What we're going to do is we're going to get our hands like this, and then we're just going to squeeze. By doing this motion, you naturally squeeze your upper back and it retracts your shoulder blades. And this is a perfect posture exercise. That's 7, 8. You should be trying to squeeze your upper back right here. But even if you don't, just this movement itself, you're naturally retracting your shoulders, squeezing your back. This is what we want for exercises. So quick little break. Another exercise that works really, really good, you guys, is a chest opener exercise. So you're gonna get your arms to the side, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna go like this. You're gonna move your arms back, chest forward, and you'll notice your back, your posture, instead of going like this, it's gonna contract or retract, and it's gonna be in a good position. So just like that, 1, 2, and again, this is a great exercise, you guys, for getting better posture. Perfect. Quick little break. Next exercise we're gonna do is gonna be a chest raise. So get your chest like this. Raise it. Let it come back down. Raise it. As you guys can see, a lot of posture exercises are raising your chest and working on your back, really contracting the upper back, retracting the shoulders. That is really important for the type of exercises that we are going to be doing. Just like this. Just like this. Perfect. Keep going, you guys. Couple more. Keep going. Again, raise your chest really, really high. Let it fall down. Raise your chest super high. Come down. Raise your chest. Perfect. Keep going, you guys. And again, you might get a little bit sore when doing this if you've never done it before, but over time, again, it's not going to be as bad. So quick little break. Next exercise, again, we really are going to do this. We're going to contract our upper back. And again, this naturally retracts our shoulder blades. And just like that, 4, 5, keep going. Perfect, you guys. So in the video, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.